Using storytelling to sell. If you're not using storytelling to sell, then you're not selling as much as you should be. It's more specific if you're selling something conceptual, like a service, a training course, something like that. It's important to have key elements in that story relative to the way that that person or persons would be looking to use for themselves. Okay, so to give you an example of that, I'm going to use a movie called King Kong. That's right, King Kong. The reason I'm using that movie as an example is that that is one of the best all-time movies. The reason being is that from the first movie in 1933, Kong went on to make 12 more movies. And the reason is success factors. And only you know your success factors in your particular niche, okay, or industry. And the first factor is the fact that there's a woman that falls in love with a gorilla. Now, that gorilla grafted that woman, didn't he? And she fell in love with him. So it just goes to show that you need to get your customers to fall in love with you by using storytelling to buy into you. The second part of the success factor series, if you like, or the 3 success factors, is that Kong escapes from captivity. Despite all odds, he's tied down, he escapes and he breaks free and he runs rampage through New York. So that resonates with people because they do feel that there is a chance for them to escape from either their existing supplier or from their own situation to improve their lives, whatever it is you're selling. The third success factor is, despite Kong's freedom, Kong's destroyed. And that resonates again with people because they know that nothing is infallible and it can go wrong for them. It has gone wrong for them. But because of their the factor 2, which is escaping from captivity, which is deeply ingrained within our survival instinct, they're prepared to understand that. So the iconic line at the end of the movie, it wasn't the aeroplanes, it was beauty that killed the beast, moves audiences. And that is the reason that movie has lasted and inspired, it inspired 12 more movies after the first one. So it encourages people to reflect on their own experiences of love and captivity and the pursuit of freedom, motivating them to take action in their own lives. And that's the enduring legacy of King Kong. And it's a testament to the timeless power of this story. So what I'd like you to do is to comment if you like this video. Even if you'd like me to do another video particularly niche to your particular service or whatever you're selling, okay, I can see if I can do that. Subscribe to my channel, Sales Method Mastery. It's on the link above. Subscribe there now. I appreciate that and look forward to seeing you next time.